4 beautiful and relaxing Thai beaches. Thailand is a diverse country with stunning temples and lush jungles, hectic cities, and a rich past. There are miles and miles of beautiful Thai beaches. Thailand beaches, with their powder white sand and turquoise sea, are what draw many visitors to the nation, and we believe that any Thailand itinerary should include a visit to at least one Thai beach. While Thai beaches are among the most gorgeous sights to visit in Thailand, they are not all created equal. Thai beaches include party beaches, touristy beaches, resort beaches, private beaches, and relaxing beaches. Thai island beaches and mainland stretches of sand, beaches in the Andaman Sea, and on the Gulf of Thailand's coasts, are all available. We are drawn to Thailand's stunning coastline every time we visit, and we are constantly keen to learn something new. In our travels, we've looked for the top beach spots in Thailand. We discovered 4 breathtakingly stunning and wonderfully soothing Thai beaches. How do you decide where to go in Thailand? With so many Thai beaches to choose from, figuring out which are the finest spots to stay in Thailand is a difficult challenge. Many people are familiar with the most well-known Thailand tourist locations, such as Phuket, the Phi Phi Islands, and Koh Samui. Does this, however, make them the greatest spots to visit in Thailand? We analyzed several aspects while looking for beach spots in Thailand. The convenience of access, the value for money, and the general Thai beach feel are the most essential factors for us. The best Thai beach for accessibility. We assess the accessibility of our Thailand holiday destination before deciding. Some of Thailand's most stunning beaches are in remote locations that need a succession of planes, boats, and taxis to access. While we don't exclude these places outright, it is important to keep in mind while organizing a vacation. Thai beaches value for money. While Thailand is regarded as a bargain vacation, staying at some of the country's best beaches may be costly. Exclusive resorts and luxury Thai beachfront hotels are expensive, and some Thailand beach resorts own a whole stretch of sand. We search for Thai beaches that provide a variety of accommodations, not just high-end and not simply hostels, as independent and budget-conscious travelers. We also review the area's offers to verify that there are a variety of eateries and activities. Thai beach vibe. Identifying the beach ambience of each Thai beach is maybe most crucial. In Thailand, there are beaches known for their raucous full moon parties and raunchy nightlife. Some Thai beaches, on the other hand, are so secluded that they lack contemporary amenities. Our ideal beach holiday in Thailand is somewhere in the middle of those two extremes. Thailand beaches for relaxation. We're not looking for the quietest islands in Thailand, but we're also not looking for all-night parties. A great Thai beach, in our opinion, is one where we can bury our toes into the sand, cool down in the turquoise water, and watch the sunset while sipping an ice-cold beer. The good news is that Thailand has a plethora of beaches that meet the criteria. It's only a matter of looking for them. Thailand's top 4 islands and beaches. The beaches on our list are, in our opinion, the ideal spots to visit in Thailand for some R&R. Our selection includes both island getaways and a beach on the mainland that seems like it's on an island. The following is a list of the top Thai beaches in no order. 1. Koh Lanta, Thailand. Klong Khong Beach. Koh Lanta is one of Thailand's most beautiful islands. The 20-mile-long island appears to dangle from the southernmost point of the Krabi peninsula, oozing into the Andaman Sea. The long west-facing beachfront is home to several crescent coves with white sand, the most relaxing of which is Klong Khong Beach. The beach is less than 2 miles long and is lined with hippy bars, low-key eateries, and a variety of motels. Oceanfront sitting is provided by bamboo loungers and mats, with Bob Marley music playing through the speakers. The sunsets are stunning, and even though the sea floor is rock rather than sand, the chilly water is ideal for cooling off, unless it's low tide, of course. There isn't much to do on Klong Khong, but take in the laid-back beach ambience and watch the tide come in and out. During our vacation, we went to Long Beach Phra Ae Beach, a more developed beach to the north, and had an incredible 4-island snorkeling Koh Lanta tour. 2. Phuket Island. Kamala Beach. Phuket is one of Thailand's most popular tourist destinations, with hordes of visitors flocking to the iconic Patong Beach. Although photographs depict a tranquil beach with swaying palm trees throughout the day, the wild nights and raunchy pubs do not portray the same feeling of tranquility. We were almost turned off by Patong's boisterous reputation until we discovered Kamala Beach. Kamala Beach, just 6 miles north of Patong, offers an entirely different vibe. With only 2 attractions, the local weekly market and fantasy park. Kamala is all about the beach, which, we must say, is stunningly beautiful. Jet skis, stand-up paddle boards, and surfboards may all be rented, but an on-beach Thai massage is a relaxing way to take in the scenery. Café Del Mar and HQ Beach Club, both on the north end of the beach, give a little of fun nightlife on the beachfront, while Kamala Beach eateries are at the top of the beach and line the bustling boulevard that runs along to the coast. Kamala Beach is one of those spots where you can simply rest and unwind, which is precisely what we did. We went into the water on bodyboards on days when the waves were huge. The lengthy expanse of sand is ideal for beach walks, and we never missed a spectacular sunset at Kamala Beach. 3. Koh Chang, Thailand. Kai Bay Beach. When we were searching for beaches near Bangkok, we skipped over the mega-developed and seedy Pattaya and traveled eastward till we came across Koh Chang Island. Moreover, half of the area is covered with nature, making it Thailand's third biggest island. The greatest beaches on Koh Chang are on the west side of the island, and we chose Kai Bay Beach as the best suit for our travel style. The right blend of beachfront resorts and locally owned boutique hotels can be found on Kai Bay Beach. The main street is lined with beach shops, Thai restaurants, and fun pubs, and the laid-back atmosphere pervades the entire town. The public beach is tiny, but enough for swimming and launching kayaks to paddle out to the nearest smaller islands. The beach is also where the local elephant camp bathes the baby elephants every day, which is a fun sight to see. Another attraction of Kai Bay is its position, which is sandwiched between the crowded but picturesque white sand beach to the north and the rough lonely beach to the south, both of which are accessible via a cheap Songthy ride. We went to Koh Chang during the rainy season, and did it ever pour. We managed to spend some time on the beach despite the often flooded streets. We kayaked around the islets, went snorkeling on Koh Chang on a wet day, and visited other beaches around the western coast. 4. Braylee Beach. Krabi, Thailand. Even though Braylee Beach is located on the mainland, it has the sensation of a tropical getaway. Dramatic cliffs enclose the beach, which is only accessible by boat, on the southern extremity of a peninsula in Krabi. Massive monoliths rise from the water, producing a breathtaking panorama that will take your breath away. East Braylee, where mangroves grow beside the long pier, and West Braylee make up the town, which features a sandy beach and an upscale resort. Thai caverns, including one with a fertility temple complete with sculpted phalluses, are etched into the limestone rocks and may be visited. During the day, popular Braylee Beach activities include kayaking, rock climbing, and scuba diving. Braylee has a bit of a nightlife, notably along the east-west pedestrian walkway and the East Braylee seashore, where there are several Bob Marley-themed bars. We did a little exploring around Braylee Beach instead of just sinking into the sand. We explored tunnels and secret routes, frequently seeing monkeys along the way. We hired kayaks twice and paddled to secluded Thai beaches while admiring the breathtaking environment.